Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Google Nest Doorbell step by step clearly. First, unbox your Google Nest Doorbell and ensure all components are included. Download the Google Home app on your smartphone if you haven't already. Open the Google Home app and sign in or create a new account. Once logged in, tap the plus icon in the top left corner of the screen. Select Set Up Device from the menu. Choose New Devices to start the setup process. The app will then prompt you to select your home location. If you haven't set up a home yet, follow the instructions to create one. Next, follow the on-screen instructions to connect the app to your Wi-Fi network. Make sure your smartphone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network you want your doorbell to use. After connecting to Wi-Fi, the app will search for nearby devices. Once it detects your Nest Doorbell, select it to begin setup. You'll be prompted to scan the QR code on your doorbell. After scanning, customize your doorbell's name for easy identification. Now, you can proceed to physically install the doorbell at your front door. Use the provided mounting template to mark where to drill. Drill the holes and attach the mounting bracket with screws. If your doorbell requires wiring, connect the wires as instructed. For battery-operated models, install the rechargeable battery as directed. Once installed, attach the doorbell to the mounting bracket securely. Next, return to the Google Home app to finalize setup. Select any additional features or settings you want to enable. Review your privacy settings and adjust notifications as preferred. Now, test the doorbell by pressing it to ensure proper functionality. Check the app to confirm you receive alerts when someone rings the bell. Finally, customize your doorbell settings for video quality and motion detection. Once everything is set up, enjoy the enhanced security of your Google Nest Doorbell. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.